Step into the wild pulse of two-tech skills. A breathtaking new episode awaits. Feel the rush as bold, wood-hauling drivers defy death on the planet's most unforgiving landscape. Strap in, hold your breath. Let the epic saga ignite right now. Oh my God, I can't believe my eyes. This bright green truck is spewing out a massive black smoke cloud, like it just summoned a whole smoke storm right in the middle of the forest. It's almost suffocating just looking at it. And check out that load on the truck, piled up sky high. Probably tons of dry wood or something. It looks insanely heavy. That engine must be roaring with all its might to climb that hill, poor thing. Holy cow! This is absolutely insane! This massive truck is tipping over on a crazy dirt road, and it's like something straight out of an action movie. Wow! This is utterly mind-blowing. Check out this truck balancing on a row of giant logs like it's performing a death-defying circus act. This is absolutely gigantic! Look at that massive cylindrical tank. It's so huge, it looks like it could hold an entire lake inside. Oh my goodness, this is unbelievable. This gigantic truck is swerving like it's about to roll over any second now. Holy moly, this is absolutely wild. That truck just crashed through something and unleashed a ginormous explosion of water, like a freaking tsunami on land. Whoa, this is totally out of this world. That bright yellow truck is hauling a mountain of logs that's stacked so high, it looks like it could touch the sky. The timber is packed in there so tight, but it's leaning so dangerously. One wrong turn and it could all come crashing down like a timber avalanche. The dust flying around makes it look like the truck is charging through a desert storm. This red truck is powering through the muddiest, sludgiest terrain like a total beast. It's like it laughs in the face of swamps. The tiny house on the trailer is complete with windows and walls, looking like it was just plucked straight out of a neighborhood. The dust flying everywhere under those tires shows this truck is roaring with all its might to pull off this insane feat.
Tchê, você sumiu o caminhão dono, cara, aqui dentro, velho, do buraco, velho. Hein? Oi? Sumiu.
Oh my lord. This is absolutely terrifying. That truck is engulfed in flames, with a massive fireball shooting out like it's a scene straight from an explosion movie.
Ah, demais. Eu falei que eu não ia riscar, é por causa daquele amarelinho que tá arriscando.
Aí não tem nada.
Aí não risca não, hein? Olha lá, ó. Pera aí, eu vou tretar aqui que eu quero. Logo que você viu, eu põe.
Olha você ver a chave da joia.
Pode ir.
That green tractor is pulling a huge truck like it's no big deal. It's like a superhero saving the day on this rugged dirt road.
Meu Deus.
That blue Ford truck was driving through a raging flood, but it's now tipped over and stuck deep in the water like a river gone wild. Oh my gosh, this is completely insane. This military-style truck is climbing a steep rocky slope like it's defying gravity itself.
Dobre.
That truck loaded with a mountain of logs has flipped over on its side, tumbling down a grassy hill like a scene from a disaster flick. Wow! This is a one-of-a-kind moment. It looks like these kids are part of an epic coming-of-age rite, and the challenge, learning to start this rugged tractor. The young one in the hat is deep in focus, hands on the engine, figuring out how to crank it up. With the rain making everything slick and treacherous, it's a test of skill to keep this beast under control. Those spinning wheels are putting on a real show. This is a heart-pounding mudslinging adventure that's absolutely exhilarating to watch. This tough truck is powering through a muddy, slippery hell with unstoppable resolve. Loaded with a sky-high stack of logs, it's battling the thick, gooey mud on this steep forest trail like a true champion. The wheels are digging in, kicking up mud and smoke as it climbs with incredible strength. Whoa! This is an epic adventure! This rugged tractor is powering through a muddy jungle trail, carrying a whole crew like a fearless leader. Whoa! This is an unbelievable twist. Looks like the F1 Grand Prix has taken a wild turn with this donkey cart race in India. It's like the ultimate extreme edition. Oh, my goodness! This is a blast from the past. This gigantic steam tractor is plowing through the field like a true old-school beast straight out of history. The massive black machine, with its towering chimney puffing out steam, is pulling a plow with unbelievable power, turning the soil like it's nobody's business. Those huge wheels with red spokes are spinning with might, showing off engineering from a bygone era.